How to change graphic settings on Palmon Survival. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to make the game smoother, reduce lag, or improve visuals in Palmon Survival, then changing the graphic setting is the best way to balance performance versus quality. So first of all, launch open the Palmon Survival game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and click on your avatar at the top left. Once you're in this Explorer info section, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, click on Settings once again. On the next page, you'll see the video button from the top. Go ahead and select your graphic quality you want to change to. If you have a low-end device, then you can select the low option. If you have a medium performing device, you can select medium. If you want best graphic quality, then you can select high or ultra. If your device is lagging, then make sure to go ahead and select low or medium option. So once you make sure of that, you'll be able to change your graphic settings according to your device's type and play smooth in Palmon Survival or play the Palmon Survival game in the best quality. So that is how you change the graphic settings on Palmon Survival. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.